How to join a group on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Facebook application and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on the device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Snapchat application. Then what you need to do is just go to the chat section at the bottom of the screen, and here you can see different options. So here you can see the option of new chat at the top right corner of the screen, so just tap on that. Tap on new chat, and here you can see the option of new group, so just tap on new group and you'll be able to add friends and join a group on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.